everybody, I'm gonna make a cocktail today. So last weekend I was at a wedding and the first thing that I was handed was a drink called a French 75. I very quickly drank it and wanted another. So I looked up the recipe when I got home and I want to make it for you all. I think it's a beautiful drink. It's great for spring and it's so easy. So I decided instead of making just one or two that I would give you the proportions to make 8 because normally you're going to want more than one. So in this pitcher, I'm going to put 8 ounces of gin, and I'm using this gin called the Botanist, and it's supposed to be a really great one. I'm not a big gin drinker. This is an unusual drink for me. So anyway, so this is 8 ounces of gin, and then I'm using this little measuring cup to put 4 ounces of freshly squeezed lemon juice, and I did this last night. And this is simple syrup, and I made this a little while ago. You just boil equal amounts of water and sugar. Let the sugar dissolve and then let it cool, and you've got a sweetener for your drink. So 4 ounces of simple syrup, and if you don't like it as sweet, you could just play with it until you figure out exactly how you like it. I'm telling you, this is just it's such an elegant, really tasty drink. It would be great to serve with hors d'oeuvres for Easter. Okay, so that's it. And then I'm gonna pour it in my glasses. I'm just gonna make 2 right now. So I guess I'm gonna pour about half and half. And you know, as I'm pouring this, I'm realizing that probably at the wedding they had a little bit of yellow food coloring in it because it was so yellow. So you could do that if you wanted to. And then I'm going to finish off with, I'm just using La Marca Prosecco. And of course, a little wedge of fresh lemon just to finish it off. And I think that is so beautiful, and I'm going to taste it and then I'm going to show you what else I've done here. I think mine might be better than the one at the wedding. Anyway, I made a spring cheese board. This has no meat on it, and I'm going to try to hold it up here. So I just used a loaf of French bread in the middle. It has grapes, yellow tomatoes, strawberries, blackberries, 3 kinds of cheese, apples, cucumbers. I did add some cashews, and I also added some chocolate covered cashews. So I just tried to stick with things that were really light and springy so it would have that springtime feel. So that is it. You've got your hors d'oeuvres and you've got a drink. And this would be great for a little evening with friends over, or for Easter, or just for any time. So thanks for watching.